All right, hello college algebra. Welcome to Yak Math videos here. We are going to try to make your video for Monday, March 30th, while we also keep an eye on this one, Spawn 2, aka Annie. All right, so if you hear any background audience, that is hers. That is her. All right. So, or any toys. So, everybody, go to, again, we're going to start this. You're starting this on the 20th. That is Monday. You're going to take a quiz on the 24th. This is possibly due on the 30th. All right. Hey, some of you already have this down, okay? Hopefully all of you. That's why you're getting back your game plans today. You have written this down somewhere, 7.5 properties of logs. Okay, you have written down the product property, quotient property, power property. Hey, this is not making for a good video. And we will not get all the likes. Log base a of x plus log base a of y. Okay, the product property says in the log world, you when you're adding logs with the same base, you're going to multiply. X times y is xy. Quotient property says log base a of x minus log base a of y is log base a of. In the log world, division or subtraction means division. So you're going to do x divided by y. And the power property says this. B log base a of x is log base a of x to the number on the outside can be written as a power, or I can go the other way here. A power can, Price is Right style, come on down and be written on the outside. All right, also, guys, for any log base a of x, what we call the answer here always has to be greater than 0. If you type in log 0 in your calculator, it's going to say error, and then a, the base, is always greater than 0. 2 as well. Okay, again, some of you guys have this written down already. So if you do, you can just transfer it from a piece of paper that you might have turned in or your game plan. Hey, you in a tight spot there? Were you doing a plank? Need some help? All right, everyone, look at number 1 here. So all right, so we're going to write these all as one log. Log base 5 of 22 plus log base 5 of x. What are we going to do with 22 and x? In the log world, addition means multiplication. We're going to put them together as 22x. The only thing we can do on 2, this 5 on the outside here can come on down as an exponent. 5 log base a of y. In the log world, first, 2 on the outside is an exponent, a 3 on the outside is an exponent, okay? We're left with this. And in the log world, addition means multiplication. So it's going to be log x squared y to the 3rd. Here, we're going to put the 4 up top. So it's going to be log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y to the 4th. Minus log base 3 of z. Okay, order of operation says in adding, I'm going to multiply first log base 3 of x times y to the 4th. Minus log base 3 of z. So xy to the 4th divided by z. That's what I'm going to have, log base 3 of exactly what I just said there. All right, now it's time to solve for x. Solve for x. So it is not 6 plus x equals 12. No, I have to have log base 3 of blank equals log base 3 blank. You guys had that on your last quiz review and in your last game plan. In the log world, addition means multiplication. So it's going to be log base 3 of 6x equals log base 3 of 12. Now 6x equals 12, and I have x equals 2. All right, log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of 8. I can put those together in the log world. Addition means multiplication. X times 8 is 8x. Log base 4 of 8x equals log base 4 of 24. 8x is equal to 24. X is 3. All right. Some more we got here. Again, some of you already have these answers, so that is good. In the log world, subtraction means division. So it's log of 18 divided by 3x equals log of 2. It's the same base, 10. 18 over 3x equals 2. 18 over 3x equals 2. I can drop the logs. Just do a little cross multiplying. That's how I get x is 3. In the log world, subtraction means division again. Log base 7 of 100 over x plus 8 equals log base 7 to 10. 100 over x plus 5 is equal to 10. All right, cross multiply. 10 times x plus 5 is 100. X is 5. Look at number 9. All right, so what are we going to do? First, I'm going to bring this 1/3 up. Log base 2 of 8 to the 1/3. 8 to the 1/3 power is 2. All right? In the log world, addition means multiplication. Log base 2 is 6, is what I have here. Log base 2 of x equals log base 2 is 6. X equals 6. All right, going to bring this 2 up. Hey, Annie, most teaching assistants are silent, okay? So log base 3 of 8 squared, 64, minus log base 3 of 25 to the 1/2, 5, is equal to log base 3 of x. 64 over 5, that's what subtraction here means. Log base 3 of 64 over 5 is log base 3 of x, and that's what x equals, 64 over 5. And I did not give an answer here. Bring the 3 up. Log base 2 of x to the 3rd is equal to log base 2 of 8. That means x to the 3rd is 8. That means x is 2. Log base 4 of 48 minus log base 4 of x. Subtraction means division. Log base 4 of 48 over x equals log base 4 of 6. That means this equals this. Cross multiply. 48 equals 6x. X is 8. Log base 3 of 2x plus log base 3 is 7. In the log row, addition means multiplication. 2x times 7 is 14x. So log base 3 of 14x equals log base 3 of 42. 14x equals 42. X is 3. 2 log base 3 of x minus log base 3 of 4 equals log base 3 of 16. That's x squared. Subtraction means division in the log world. X squared over 4 is 16. Cross multiply. X squared is 64. X is plus or minus 8, but we talked about this on the previous page. You can't have log base 3 of -8. That's undefined. You can only have a positive answer here for x. Can't have a negative answer there. It's only positive 8. Annie, we hear you. Okay, and then this was same section, I think, from Honors Algebra 2, and you'll see why here. Okay, log base 6 of x plus log base 6 of x minus 9 equals 2. Whoa. In the log world, addition means multiplication, so it's going to be x times x minus 9. That is x squared minus 9x, okay? Now, you had these also on your first quiz review. This is the base, this is the exponent, this is the answer. 6 to the 2nd equals x squared minus 9. That's 36, which we're going to move over here. We're going to have to factor. What multiplies to 36 and differs by 9, 12 and 3. 12 is negative, 3 is positive. Again, you can't get a negative answer. You can't say, I know that x is a -3, but you can't have log base 6 of a -3. That's just not going to work out. All right, it's undefined. So only 12 as an answer. Bring the 2 up as an exponent. Okay, in the log world, addition, as long as you have the same base, addition means multiplication. 27 times 3 is 81. I got x squared equals 81. So again, x is only 9, not -9. Here, 3 is the same thing as 1. Same thing. I'm going to take x, multiply it by x plus 5. X squared plus 5x. 6 to the 2nd equals x squared plus 5x. That's 36. Move the 36 over. What multiplies to 36? Differs by 5, 9, and -4. X equals -9. That's not going to work. Log base 6 and -9 undefined. So only x equals 4 is my solution. Log base 3 of 56 minus log base 3 of x is log base 3 of 7. In the log world, subtraction means division. So 56 over x, log base 3 of 56 over x. That means 56 over x is equal to 7. Cross multiply, x is 8. One more here with factoring, number 5. I don't know why it says log base. Does it say 10? It normally doesn't. You don't. Log is log base 10. Normally you don't see base 10 there. 10 is implied. All right. So log base 10 of x plus log base 10 of x plus 21 equals 2. X times x plus 21 is going to give you x squared plus 21x. All right. 10 to the second is x squared plus 21x. That's 100, which we move over. So we get it equal to 0 because we're in a factor. We'll multiply this to 100. Differs by 21, positive 25, negative 4. This is going to give me x equals negative 25. Type in your calculator as log negative 25. It's going to say domain error. Only x is 4. That is log base, another base 10 of 18 minus log base 10 of 3x is log base 10 of 2. In the log world, subtraction means division. It's 18 over 3x here. 18 over 3x is going to equal 2. Cross multiply, x is 3. Log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of 8 equals log base 4 of 24. And the log world addition means multiplication. This times this, 8x. All right? Means 8x is going to equal 24. X is 3. Uh-oh, she's on the move. Log base 3 of 6 plus log base 3 of x is log base 3 of 12 in the log world. Addition means multiplication. Log base 3 of 6x is log base 3 of 12. 6x equals 12. X is 2. Again, some of you might have had all or most of those answers. Here's another explanation with a 10-month-old whining in the back. All right, so then those were the first 3 pages here. Now, towards the end, there is a page that is review. It's the final page before the SAT. We're looking at the top. Again, everything marked down, I'm going to count as done. All right? It's going to look real bad if you don't have this done. And this is the end of the discussion of it until we get to review time. All right? So we've done these before. 5 to the what power is 125? That power is 3. 4 to the what power is 32? Well, 4 is 2 squared. 32 is 2 to the 5th. Multiply these powers. It's 5 over 2. 2 to what power is 1/8? Negative 3. 4 to what power is 256? And that's 4. All right? And then we will talk about how we finish the rest of these. We might start these. Might look at these on Tuesday. If we write as a single natural log in the log world, numbers on the outside are written as exponents. 2 to the 3rd, 8. 3 squared is 9. In the log world, addition means multiplication. 8 times 9, 72. And you sound like a monster. So 84, natural log 84 minus natural log 4 in the log world, subtraction is division. 84 over 4 is 21. And we are going to finish there, folks. Excellent. That's 3.5 pages done. This is Yak Math Videos, signing out.